Once vacuum sealed, the durians are moved rapidly to the labeling area, ensuring peak freshness for transit.
Experience the exquisite taste of Vietnam Premium Durian.
This packaging is so intriguing. Look how creamy the texture is. I have to try this.
Wow, that is incredible.
All right, here is your durian pack. That comes to $18.50.
I finally got my hands on some Vietnamese durian. The smell is incredible. I can't wait to taste it.
Leaving the plant, the container begins the road leg of its journey, a critical step in the modern supply chain.
Seal 7-4 Alpha. Looks intact. Scanning now.
74 Alpha. Records match the manifest. We are clear.
Welcome to the new Metro Market. Experience the freshest quality and a world of flavors right here in the city.
Try the exquisite taste of vacuum-packed durians, freshly imported from Vietnam. Available now in our colorful fruit section.
Did you find everything all right?
Yes, thank you. I appreciate it.
Guys, I finally got it. Look how gorgeous this is. I am so happy right now. Here is the first piece. Oh wow, it looks perfect this time.
Can I have that big one, Dad?
The sensor is showing 8 degrees.
All right, apply the thermal wrap and recheck the seal. We need to maintain the cold chain.
Experience the creamy, rich taste of our vacuum-packed durians, perfectly ripe and ready to enjoy.
Watch your clearance on the left. Okay, bring the next one forward. Watch the left side, it's heavy. Got it. Push it further back.
Look at how fresh everything looks, Margaret.
It's wonderful, Henry. Let's get some of those strawberries.
Look what I found, everyone. Fresh Vietnam durian right here in the city. I can't wait to try this tonight. Here you go, save some for me.
It smells amazing, dear.
This is perfect.
That is just perfect.
That was absolutely delicious, honey.
Best meal I've had all week.
The dessert especially. I almost licked the plate clean.
I'm so glad you both enjoyed it.
Look at this durian. It looks incredibly fresh.
We should definitely get one for tonight.
It's a pleasure doing business with you.
To a successful season.
Secure the locks on Bay 4. Locks engaged, signaling the driver.
These crates came straight from Vietnam.
Okay, let's get them unloaded quickly before the heat sets in.
Be careful, don't eat too much or you'll get red cheek. Don't worry, this is too good to resist.
He's right. Just look at how creamy it is.
From our orchards in Vietnam to celebrations across the globe, taste the finest durian the world has to offer.